Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a couple of ideas of how you can integrate HubSpot with your website. So let's get right into it. Now you can do a couple of different things. The main things I know of are you can create a website on HubSpot. You can integrate other services, which I'll be showing you how to do, and you can also go ahead and embed forms you make on HubSpot on your website. Now, to embed forms, what you're going to need to do is create a form. I already have one, so I'm just going to go into my forms and click on the form I want to embed in other places. For example, this one. You can just click on it, and then you can go into actions and embed it from here, or at least I think that's where it is. I forgot where the embed button is, so let me just go back to the forms. You should be able to embed this. I'm not exactly sure why I can't find where you can embed it. If I go into actions, there should be an embed button here. I'm not sure where it is currently right now. You can click on share, and yeah, there we go. You can share the link or the embed code. You can just embed this into your website if you so choose, and that's pretty much it. The other thing, you can go ahead and create your website over here. Just go into website pages, create a new page, and enter the editor. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure I have a tutorial I've already done on that. And then you can go ahead also and go into integrations under data management, and you can integrate other apps, which you can search via the app marketplace and find whichever apps might help you integrate. For example, Zapier, WordPress, if you want it. You also can integrate it with meta ads, etc. if you want to have some, well, revenue from ads, and you can pretty much do whatever you want, integrate it with whatever you need, and just search on the app marketplace and you should find what you're looking for. And those are the three main ways in which you can do this. And yeah, it's a bit more complicated to go into detail on each one of them. However, those are pretty much the basics that you need to know to start actually working. Again, you can set up website pages and landing pages. Just go there, create a new one, and edit them through the editor if you've used Squarespace or any other sort of website builder, pretty much similar to that. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.